Task Force Davao gilaumang mapaspasan ang pag-aproba sa no jacket policy sa Davao City. Atong siren sa live report ni Jandi Esteban. Jandi!
Gipasabot pod no sa mga personahe sa Task Force Davao nga once na magpalig-on sila og security, mutaas gyud ang linya sa mga pasahero ug motorista. Busa ang ilahang hangyo sa mga motorista ug pasahero, pasensya lang gyud kay alang man daw ni sa kaluwasan natong tanan. Tek.
Okay, daghang salamat, Jandi Esteban.
So, John, I invited you sa aking vlog because, of course, I want you to inform and to inspire people sa mga gusto na mag-reporter sa TV or sa radio or even sa print. So, first question, paano ka nagsimula sa television?
Well, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, I started sa dito, Super Radio. Sa radio.
Super Radio, yes. Super Radio.
Promoting Super Radio. BXGM, 11.25. So, doon ako nag-start.
Okay.
Then, may nag-approach sa akin na mag-apply for TV.
Okay.
Pero before that, nagtrabaho din ako for an AM, FM na radio station. Home radio.
Shout out sa Home Radio.
Yes, hello sa mga nagpaminaw sa ako sa Home Radio. Well, from after that, so may nag-approach na sa akin to apply for sa GMA TV Davao.
Okay.
So, I took the opportunity naman. Ayun, doon na nag-start yung career ko sa TV.
But, ang pagiging isang TV reporter, is it a dream or gusto mo lang talaga maging reporter lang isang television?
Actually, ever since I was a kid, elementary pa ako, I really knew na magpapasok talaga ako
sa media.
Yes, sa media.
Okay.
So, kaya nga I took up Bachelor of Arts, major in Mass Communication sa Holy Cross of Davao College. Doon tayo graduate. Holy Cross Shans!
Hello, Holy Cross Shans!
Yun.
Yes. Sa isang TV reporter dyan, ilang isang televiewer, televiewer? Bisa so, okay, balik ko wait lang. Okay.
Wala nito na record.
Bilang isang TV reporter, ano ang mga challenges na na-encounter mo during field work and of course, mga challenges, for example, may mga calamities?
Okay. Pag may bagyo, parang it's like, or nagkataon lang siguro na ako ang na-assign.
Okay.
Especially pag kadami, na-assign ako sa Surigao.
Okay.
Kasi doon yung parang frequent na nagla-landfall ang mga typhoon. So yung challenge doon is pag-cover mo your safety.
Okay.
Diba? Though you know kung gaano siya kalakas, pero hindi mo alam kung gaano talaga kalakas yung actual na pagtatama na talaga sa pag magla-landfall na. So, that's one of the challenges. Paano mo i-secure yung safety mo together with your cameraman? Kasi especially pag nasa coastal areas na, kasi doon kami usually nagko-cover sa mga residential areas. And syempre yung mga equipment.
Okay.
Syempre it's not only the cameraman's obligation, pero kailangan mo rin tulungan kung paano talaga tawag nito, paano siya masasafety yung mga gamit. Then one thing is yung aside from the equipment, yung time pressure, yung paano mo, saan ka kukuha ng interviewees pag andyan na yung calamity.
Okay.
Yun yung medyo yung mga mahirap.
So ito dyan, there are lots of people, young people and students who of course would want to become like you. And
Like me, Jude.
yes, as a reporter and of course a successful journalist, what would be your tips para sa kanila?
Sa akin kasi, nag-start ako ng radio, sa TV. Kasi sa journalism at saka yung mass comm sa Holy Cross, talagang
Compact.
yes, parang tawag dito. Siguro it depends sa school. Depende din sa iyo. Yung may advice ko lang sa mga gusto pumasok sa media industries that not all the theories ang maa-apply mo sa totoong trabaho talaga. But it will be your guide. balik ka dun sa theories na natutunan mo sa college para saan pa na nag-school tayo. So, yun. Balik tayo doon. Gawin lang natin. Then, ano lang, yung script talaga, script writing natin, dapat mabilis. Kasi sa TV, limited lang yung time.
To write stories.
Imagine, for 8 hours of work, we have 4 hours sa film.
Okay.
Then, pupunta kami ng station. So, ang allotted time for script writing is 1 to 2 hours lang.
Okay.
So, that's 2 to 3 stories.
Whoa.
So, dapat may outline ka na sa stories.
Sa field pa lang.
Before ka pupunta ng field, dapat may outline ka na sinong interviewin mo to save your time.
Okay. And right now, yes, Jan, may bagong segment tayo sa ating channel. At ito ang Slow Talk. So, may kukunin tayo. Ayan na lang. So, open. Ayan. Next, naka-elevator yan.
Very good.
Next, all you have to do is, pull. Pull it up. Pull it up. Okay. So, I have some papers and you have to pick at least one first.
Okay.
One at a time.
Coffee, soft drinks.
Coffee or soft drinks?
Coffee.
Why?
Kasi if I do feel parang early in the morning, I feel sleepy.
Okay.
I need coffee.
I really like your speaking voice. Okay. Next one. Next.
Radio or TV?
Radio or TV? Oh,
Both.
Ma'am Arnie, Delphine,
Both.
you need to choose one.
Really, both.
Both. Nagsimula ka dito and of course nasa taas ka
okay,
ngayon.
let me explain.
Okay.
Kasi dito sa radio, this is my first family.
Oh.
Tapos,
Ma'am Arnie, comment down below.
Talagang hindi ko malilimutan yun. Experience ko
Yes.
sa Super Radio. The people here they're all nice and we are like one family here. Yun. Sa TV kasi, it's really my passion to be in the TV industry.
Okay.
So, radio was my training ground.
Wow.
And radio, dili siya ginalang. It's really hard. Mag-report ka without script. Sa
Yes.
TV kasi, you have the script. But in radio, spontaneous.
Yes.
You don't need a script. If you are a good reporter, then you don't need a script.
Shout out dyan sa mga radio reporters and mga radio anchors. Good evening, good day,
Yeah.
good afternoon, good morning.
Yeah.
Okay, the third one dyan. Yes.
Sige. Girl or boy?
Girl or boy?
What's that?
Girl
Child?
or boy? Oy! Are you ready? The question is, are you ready?
Not
By
yet.
the way, are you
Not
single?
yet. No. I'm in a relationship.
Baka shoutout naman dyan.
Hi Ace, love you.
Girl or boy?
Boy pag first baby.
How about pag second baby?
Pag na
Baby?
Girl.
Girl.
Kasi
Okay.
dapat kuya. Magbabantay sa kapatid,
Pagpante.
babae.
Oh.
Just like me.
Yes naman.
Palangga kayo sa mga kuya.
But you're-
Facebook or Instagram? I love pictures.
Facebook or Instagram?
I love photography.
Yes.
So I love Instagram.
Yes. But what's your
But
Instagram
for
account?
news updates,
It's Facebook.
It's Facebook.
Facebook.
Guys, please follow my Facebook account, Jandi Esteban, and sa Instagram, just follow me for more photos sa at Jandayan. It's double I.
Okay,
It's
Jandayan.
Double I.
Okay.
Okay.
Next.
Tall or short? Tall.
Oh.
Ace is tall.
How tall is she?
Very tall.
5'11".
5'11".
Yes. Black. Next.
Beach or farm?
Beach or farm?
Beach yata.
Why?
Very, yung ambience siya, very relaxing. Okay.
But I love farm because I love animals. That's why I love you. Joke.
Lights off, lights on.
Lights off, lights on.
Lights on.
Why?
Bakit kakagulay light?
Dili na magalit.
Lights
Dili na magalit. Dili na mga suko ko na yun, no?
Lights on.
Lights on. Okay. Second to the last. Dili na magalit. Second to the last one.
Hard or soft?
Hard or soft?
Sometimes.
Sometimes? Oh, bakit may sometimes? Bakit?
You want it hard? Sometimes you want it soft?
Do not qualify. Oh.
Yun. What are you thinking?
Oh, nothing.
It's
Okay,
not
the last
like
one. So wala na po tayo nakikita sa loob ng ating maigawagang
cell phone or laptop. Cell phone.
cellphone.
I can't live without cell phone, I think. But without laptop, I can live without laptop.
Thank you for this opportunity. Kita-kits mga kapuso sa ating next episode dito pa rin sa ating YouTube channel. Good day, thank you.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.